Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to stop people from seeing posts that you're tagged in on your Facebook profile using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and go to the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Next to Who Can See Posts that you're tagged in on your profile, click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Select Only Me from the available options. Step 9. Finally, click on Done to save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully prevented others from seeing posts that you're tagged in on your Facebook profile. Now, you can have better control over your tagged posts and maintain your desired level of privacy. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to stop people from seeing posts that you're tagged in on Facebook using your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.